right, everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this week's edition of the news. In this week's edition, we're going to talk about cyber bricks and more cyber bricks, ResinChem Tech, 3D printing for mobility, and how you can get your hands on up to $300,000 to turn your idea into reality. So if all that sounds good, then sit back and relax and let's get started. All right, at FormNext 2025, Bambu Lab made a big splash with this cyber brick city, which is super impressive. They used 100 different Bambu printers, all connected together, networked together, to build this cyber brick by cyber brick or what have you. So made a huge buzz as one of the big projects there. This is just proof of a collaborative additive manufacturing at scale to create really, really cool things. So I thought this was super awesome. You can see them putting it all together. Over 100 printers working together at once. If you want to learn more about this, be sure to read more about this on Voxel Matters. Goes over air. All right, if you have a great idea around 3D printing or anything like that, be sure to take a look at the Let's Make It Fund. Bambu Lab is donating up to $300,000 to bring your ambitions to life, and you don't even have to be using Bambu Lab equipment. It's designed to support the boldest makers with grants of up to $300,000. It's for anyone brave enough to dream beyond the standard. So again, if you have really, really cool ideas, that can turn the impossible into something real, then this is definitely the program for you. You can learn more about it on their YouTube channel. But a quick one is, there's submissions are ongoing now. There's no deadlines. You can submit multiple projects. You don't have to be using a Bambu Lab printer. They're going to choose 2 to 5 projects every quarter, and the selected creators will receive financial, technical, and promotional support. And they have donated quite a bit of money into this. So if you have a great idea and don't know where to start or don't have the funding or anything like that, then be sure to reach out into this program. I have seen a couple of you on the live streams that are creating your own projects and could definitely use this financial, technical, as well as promotional support. All right, so if you ever wonder where all of my knowledge for Home Assistant, ESP32s, and all of that comes from, it is from this creator, ResinChem Tech, and he has a ton of great videos all around Home Assistant using ESP32s. His most recent videos are adding touch to your ESP32s. And then there's a comprehensive guide that he did a couple of weeks ago that takes you from the very beginning to the end of completing a full project with the ESP32, integrating it into ESP Home and all of that. So if you've had some ideas on how to make some stuff or, 3D print some different things, but are unfamiliar with the ESP32 or integrating into Home Assistant or doing really cool things with this, with the ESP32s, from touch screens to touch and different things like that, definitely check him out. The one project that I have been using for over a year and use every single day is he has a really cool project on a garage sensor to show how close to the wall your car is or whatever, and it does it with LED lights. So be sure to check that one out. I use that every day in my garage. It is awesome and everybody gets a kick out of it. So be sure to go over to ResinChemTech, Tech, subscribe to his channel, and follow all of the cool things that he does on there. This is a tremendous resource. All right, and if you've been looking for a feel-good story of the week in a maker to take a look at on Maker World and to support, MakeGood is definitely going to win the hearts and minds for this week. They unveiled a low-cost 3D printed mobility chair and released it on Maker World to help with accessibility and for mobility. So using 3D printing for mobility and a mobility chair for children. This is awesome. Take a look at the blog post here from Bambu Lab, but also take a look at their page on Maker World, and you'll find that outside of this chair, they're doing a ton of stuff for accessibility and mobility for those of us out there that don't have those things. So definitely go out and follow them and be sure to boost and to give them some kudos for all of the things that they're doing. They are making a positive difference in the world and should be recognized for it. All right, and last but not least, let's talk about Cyberbricks once again. If you haven't gone and purchased one of these little kits or whatever, I would suggest doing so. I ordered a couple of these, I think the tank and this mini SUV. Those should be here pretty soon. I'll make a video on that, but there's tons of other models that you can create out of those kits. So these are really, really cool. If you made any of these, then join us on our live stream later this evening and show off some of these cool things that you've done. I really want to make this claw machine too, but there's all kinds of these cool little models to make, and definitely something to get into if you are looking for something cool to print. That's going to do it for this week's edition of the news. If you liked it, be sure to smash that like button. I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, be sure to smash that subscribe button. And I'll see everybody later this evening on the live stream. And I hope everybody has a great rest of their weekend and a great week. Thanks for watching.